In today's lesson, we are going to talk about minor blues licks. You will learn how to construct them, extracting ideas from the melody of AM/PM, one of my favorite minor blues tunes that appears in Joe DiOrio and Robin Ford album called Minor Elegance, with Peter Erskine on drums and Gary Willis on the bass. And once you have the melody under your fingers, I promise that you will have tons of resources to expand your vocabulary using arpeggios, using the dominant diminished scale, and with a couple of tricks you will feel the minor blues quite differently. So let's go! This is just a reminder, 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribers, so please don't be one of them. Click on the button and subscribe. Thank you! The minor blues has 12 measures like the regular blues, but it's of course in minor key. Let's start with the harmony. C minor 4 bars, F minor 2 bars, C minor 2/5 to A flat major, G altered dominant, C minor again, dominant to start the form. Hope you are enjoying the video. If you want to take things further, I'm available for one-on-one lessons, link is on the description. If we apply a Charleston rhythm for comping, we have something like this. All the chords are minor 7, but you can change and adapt to your taste. You can play minor 7 with 9s, even 11s, to make it more appealing to the ear. Of course, you can add turnarounds in the last 2 bars. And mix between minor 7 chords and minor 6 chords. And the same here. Regular 2/5, flat 9 if you want. This chord you can play 6th, but also you can make this chord dominant, leading dominant, go into the altered 5th, sharp 5 and sharp 9, and minor 6th, half diminished, altered dominant, 1. Let's take a look to the melody. All the arpeggios are minor 7 arpeggios, but they end up in the 6th. So you have both, and the same happens here. So, focus on the rhythm, ta, 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 pa, da, pa. Ta, 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 pa, da. I start the melody with an upstroke, then economy picking, and I end my phrase with another upstroke. So, move to another position and do the same. And try to mix your previous language with this idea. And the same here. As you can see, it's a very interesting phrase, and you can extract a lot of language from these ideas. Try to change the rhythm. In the PDF, you get the melody with these fingerings. But I used to play it a bit different. And from here, it's like an escape that will make things easier. Maybe it works for you. Look, this phrase can be used as part of a 2/5. If we got this, we enter the dominant chord by the third, which defines very, very well our harmony. And you can continue your phrase with some dominant language. And resolve the 2-5-1. Once you have those arpeggios under your fingers, you can take a look at the phrase to end up the melody, which employs a dominant diminished sound. If you move the rhythm, you can achieve a lot of different phrases from it. Look, I'm going to play just regular arpeggios based from the melody in the first degree and the fourth degree, and once we have the next part of the progression, I will employ only that diminished lick, trying to move the rhythm. Thank you very much for watching, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember, you get all the PDFs available plus the backing track on my website for free for you to practice all these ideas. So please check it out. See you in the next chapter.